Good evening, children. Today we will come to another method of conversion. Sir, what conversion, sir? Already we saw decimal into binary and then binary into decimal and then decimal into what? Octal and then octal into decimal. These types of conversion already we learned. But today, how the given a number is decimal number, that number how can we convert decimal into hexadecimal? Okay, we will see. Example I will tell you. Heading is decimal number into what? Hexadecimal. Okay. Example I will tell you. The given a number is, okay, 31 is also given, a textbook also given these sums, and then we will work out next one sums. Okay. This base 10 is given or not given means this is decimal value into hexadecimal. Okay, yes. We will answer for this. How can we do, sir? Dear children, this number is decimal into binary means repeatedly divisible by 2. The given a number into octal means repeatedly divisible by 8. Hexadecimal means the given a number is decimal number, that number repeatedly divisible by 16. Okay, in this method given a number is 31. Clear? So hexadecimal value is 16. Okay, 1 16s are 16, 2 16s are 32, but here the value is 31, but comparing value 32, this is small number, so it is not a possible. So 16 ones are 16, so remaining is 15. Clear? Yes. So in this value we will see here remaining is 15. Sir, it should be divisible by 16. The 1 is divided by 16, it is not a possible. That is why solution came or answer came. How, sir? 16 what? Here 31 base 10 is equal to 1 and then 15 base 16. The simple example here 31 base 10 equal to 1. Okay, we know hexadecimal 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, 13 means D, 14 means E, 15 means F. Okay, this question is given here 15, so 15 means F. So 1 F is base 16. This is the answer for this questions. I think so. Clear? Yes. You say any one number, Sanjay, that number can I divided into now hexadecimal. Okay, come on, you say any one decimal number. This is exercise number 1. X number 1. You say another one number 56. So the given a value here exercise 2 or example 2, convert 56 base 10 into hexadecimal. Sir, with this type of sums will work out, will answer for this. Given a value is 56. Clear? Yes. but will divisible by hexadecimal is 16. Dear children, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are what? 48, 16 fours are 64, but 64 comparing 56, that is maximum value. Okay, so 16 threes are 48, sir, 56, 48. Okay, here 56. So 16 threes are 48. The remaining is 8. Clear? Yes. Sir, in that case, here 16, any divisible by 3? It's a possible? No. So, therefore, in this time 56 base 10 is equal to 3 and then 8 base 16. Sir, this sum is correct or not? How can we identify in the examination hall or in the SOR will give an homework in a classroom activity or homework activity or in examination hall before correction this answer is correct or not? How can we check, sir? Again we will introduce check method. Check method we will introduce. Okay, the answer is what? 3 and then 8. Here, come on Sanjay, you say the answer 8 into 16 to the power of what? 0. Why? Because this number is hexadecimal, no? Okay, here 3 into 16 to the power of 1. Sir, anything power 0 we know 1. So 8 into 1, 8. Here 16 to the power of 1 equal to 16. 16 into 3, what? 48. Clear? Now 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, 56. Therefore, the answer, you see, 38 base 16 equal to 56 base 10. Okay, this answer came, no? Come on, you check. This is question. This is question. So check method is verified. Okay, yes, same this method also. Again once more, this answer is correct or not? How can we check? Okay, this method also we will do the same. Another one sum I will tell you. This method, just simply before the sum, this sum is correct or not? How can we identify? The given a value is 1 f base 16. Okay, equal to, how sir? Here we know f means what? F means 15 into 16 to the power of 0. Here 1 into 16 to the power of 1. So anything power 0, 1. So 15 into 1, 15. 16 to the power of 1 equal to 16. This is 16. Clear? So 5 plus 6, 1. Here 3, 31. So question came. This is which method? This also check method of this process. Okay, yes. Next method, how? What sir? Given a number is binary, how can we binary into octal? That about we will see next now. Okay. Okay, now we will see this is different. How sir this is different? Why? Because the given a number is binaries 1 0 1 0 something something etc. This type of numbers, how can we convert it into octal and hexadecimal? These two methods we will see now. Okay, first, now can I explain convert? Given a number is binary, so given a number is binary, convert. Okay, this method binary into octal. This is one method. Clear? Same. Convert binary into hexadecimal. These two methods we will see now. Okay? Yes. Sir, how can we do, sir? What are the procedures? Okay, example I will tell you. First, order of the procedure, right to left and left to right, you know. Suppose, can I say one example? 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 or 0 1 1. Okay, this is called what? Right to left. This is called right to left. Okay, so first we will right to left. Next, each 3 digits. Okay, right to left. Next, 3 digits. Come on, here 1 2 3. That's why 1 1 0 will separate, and then 1 1 0 again we separate. So 1 1 0. Okay, this number again 1 1 0. This number. And then 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, clear? Yes. First 1 1 0 for this number 3, and then 1 1 0. Okay, so this number, and then 1 1 0. Okay, these 3 for this number. Here what? 1 and 1, these two numbers. Okay, now 1 and 1. These methods we separating the given a values. Right to left we should concentrate, but we should take from right to left 3 digits. Clear? Sanjay, you say any one different example. Okay, convert. You say convert. Octal. Okay, what number? 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. So this is a given a number. This number how to convert into octal. Clear? Yes. First answer for this question. Clear? First, every digit we should write properly. What said? First one is step 1. We should write 1 1 0, and then 1 0 1. Okay, and then 1 0. Okay, next step 2. This right to left 3 digits. Clear? 3 and then 3 and then these 2. So we should write properly. I will tell you 1 1 0. Okay, and then here 0 1 0, here 1 and then 1. Why? Because after that no number. That's why we will splitting into 3. 1 2 3. Okay, from right to left. Okay, now can I say about this one is step 3. In that case 1 by 1 will work out on that side. First have to work out 1 1 0. Sir, we know binary into decimal quick method, 0 into 2 to the power of 0. Correct? That's why anything power 0 is equal to what? 1. So 0 into 1 equal to 0. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. Here also 1 into 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. That's why 2 plus 4 6. Clear? Next, I think you understand. Okay? Yes. Next one is, what is the number? 0 1 0. So we know 0 into 2 to the power of 0. Sir, 1 into 2 to the power of 1. Here 0 into 2 to the power of 2. So anything power 0 equal to 1. So 0 into 1 0. Anything 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4, so 0 into 4, 0. That's why the answer is 2. Clear? Yes, I think understand. See these steps. Last one is third one. Listen clearly. 1 and 1. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Here also 1 into 2 to the power of 1. So anything power 0 equal to 1. That's why 1 into 1, 1. So 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2. 1 into 2, 2. So 3. Okay. The first, this 1 1 means what? Here 3. So 3. And then 0 1 0. Clear? 0 1 0. So suitable answer is what? Here 0, this also 0, only 2. Okay. So answer is 2. Sir, here 1 1 0. So 0 2 and then 4. So these two adding. So final answer is 6. Okay. Therefore we should write proper in this one already finished. Okay. Now 1 1 0 means 6. So, okay. The 1 1 is nothing but 3. So 0 1 0 is nothing but 2 and then 1 1 0 is nothing but 6. So therefore the final answer is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 base 2 is nothing but 3 2 6 base. Why? Because octal, no, octal means what? 8. Okay. Yes, this is answer for these questions. Clear? Yes, I think so you understand. Okay. Can I start now? In this method we will see now. I think this method is convert binary into hexadecimal is nothing but binary number into hexadecimal numbers. Okay. Can I now one example? After that these types of every conversion over and then can I talk to you? Before this method only we will see. Sir, this given a number is what? Convert 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. We will think it. Actually this number is binary. Okay. This number into hexadecimal. Okay. Yes. In this hexadecimal means, can I say now the method answer for this? First step 1 is nothing but all the number we should write properly 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. And then 1 0. Listen clearly. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. And then step 2 we should split into right to left 4 digits, right to left 4 digits. What? 1 2 3 4. Okay. So we should write 0 1 1 0 is completely we should write like this. And then again 1 1 2 3 4. Okay. These 4 we should write now 1 1 0 1. Clear? Yes, this understand, I think so. This is one type of method. And then these two, this number is 1 1. Okay. From right to left, right to left, and then 4 digits separating. Okay. Yes. So this number is this and this and this. Okay, now step 3. Here step 3, the first one is what? 1 1 1 1. So 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Again 1 into 2 to the power of 1. So anything power 0 equal to 1. So 1 into 1 1, and then 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2. So 1 into 2 2. So 3 is the answer. One method. The next one is clear? Understand? Here 1 1 1 0 1 1 into 2 to the power of 0. So 1 into 2 to the power of 0, anything power 0 equal to 1. That's why 1. Here 0 into 2 to the power of 1 equal to 0. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4, and then 1 into 2 to the power of 3 equal to 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. So 1 into 8, so 8. So 1 plus 4 5 plus 8 13. Okay, yes. So 1 1 0 1. Next one is, okay, the last one is here 0 1 1 0. Now 0 into 2 to the power of 0. So anything power 0 equal to 1. So 0 into 1 equal to 0. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2. Here also 1 into 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4. Here 0 into 2 to the power of 3. So 0 into anything 0. That's why 6. Okay, we know the step based. First 1 1 means we know the answer 3, and then we know 1 1 0 1. So 1 1 0 1 means number 13 1 3. So we should write 1 3. Here also 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 6 6. Okay, this is enough for the answer, but we should write this number means already we know. Okay, in the hexadecimal system 10 equal to A, 11 equal to B, 12 equal to what? C, 13 equal to D, and then 14 equal to E, 15 equal to F. Okay, but here 13. So finally we should write step 4 3 D, and then what? 6 1 1 0 6 base. This given number is binary, but we will convert in hexadecimal, base 16. So therefore 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 base 2 equal to 3D 6 base 16. This is answer for this questions. This method is convert binary into decimal. Can I do? Again I will explain quickly. The given a number is these much digits. Okay, 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. First step, so right to left 1 2 3 4 splitting 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4, and then 1 1 for up to splitting 4 digits. Next step 2, here 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, right to left and then 4 digits separating. Here step 3, we know 1 1 means equal binary into decimal 3. Here 1 1 0 1 equal binary number into decimal 13. So here 0 1 1 0, the equal number is what? 6. Clear? Yes. Understand the step 4, the 13 means 10 equal to A hexadecimal method, 11 equal to B, 12 equal to C, 13 equal to D, that is why 13 equal to D, base same 6, base 16. So, the finally I came to conclusion 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 base 2 equal to 3D 6 base what 16. Why? Because this is hexadecimal number. So, all the conversions over. Can I give now assignment, that about we will see now. Okay, okay children, I think so our conversion methods of online courses are completed successfully in my part, but in your part what the response, how can we do? Sir, these 4 parts we are understand or not, what do we learn, how can I judge in myself, this about, can I give one super assignment. That super assignment is we are given in our school assignment. Okay, we know our school name is SVM Techno School, SVM Techno School 2020. Clear? In this Techno School, in this conversion session based, what we learn, how can I prove, in your side can I small what assignment given for you. That assignment is nothing but you say convert the following decimal number into its equivalent binary, octal, hexadecimal. Okay, here number given number is what? Decimal. That is why this number is base 10, 1920 and then 255, 10 and then 126. Okay, so you understand this number is decimal number. How can we convert binary? This number, how can we convert binary? And then this number, how can you convert octal, and then how can we convert hexadecimal. The same is these sums and these sums. Okay, if you work out in your fair note, if you take photocopy and send it to my personal my WhatsApp number. Okay, but second session, second assignment, here this is super assignment. This assignment is what? Super assignment. Here super assignment. Okay, this is star assignment. This star assignment what should represent, sir? We learned, no, we learned binary number is given. This is binary number. How can I judge this is binary number? The number should be zeros and ones, but in the base value 2. This means this is what? Binary number. This binary number, how can we convert into decimal? This binary number, how can we convert it into octal? This binary number, how can we convert it into hexadecimal? Okay, so this is first sum. Okay, you will do same as second one, third one, methods. Okay, so these conversion methods in these number system courses or classes are over. Okay, so when it is the 4 part, we can understand clearly these types of 2 assignments. Okay, you can make it perfect, you will be happy, you will become a very good programmer in your lifelong. Okay, thank you for understanding for this session. Thank you.